Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm making some pumpkin muffins. I have a bowl. I'm adding 1 3/4 cups of flour. This is 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Half a teaspoon of salt. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin spices. And 1/4 teaspoon of cloves. Now I'm going to mix this together until it's combined. Now this is a separate bowl. I have 1 15-ounce can of canned pumpkin. I have 1 cup of granulated sugar. I'm adding 2 eggs. This is a half a cup of vegetable oil. This is a half a cup of brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now I'm going to mix this together until it's combined. My wet ingredients are combined, and now I'm going to add my dry ingredients, and then I'm going to mix them until everything is combined. Here's my muffin tray, and I've lined it with cupcake liners. And I have an ice cream scooper, and I'm going to scoop them with my ice cream scooper. Here's my muffins. I have a 375-degree oven waiting. We're going to pop these in. It should take anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes. I will let you know. And here's my pumpkin muffins, you guys. I got 16 out of them, and they're very nice. Look at that. Ooh, I want to taste one. Okay, you guys. Here's my little muffin. Ooh, they look good. Look at that. Oh my God, it's like this. Look at that. Ooh, it's nice and moist. Look at that. It's just fluffy. I love pumpkin. I love pumpkin bread. Good pumpkin bread recipe made into muffins. Pumpkin muffins. This is real tasty. I made exactly 16, and I cooked it for 20 minutes. You can go 20 to 22 depending on your oven. It's a really good recipe. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you next time. Yeah.